Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to archive WhatsApp chat. So to archive WhatsApp chat, first up, open WhatsApp app. Once you're on the app, you can see I have selected this text to archive it. Long press on it and you can see some options at the top. Some is delete, pin and three dots, and at the middle of the delete and three dots, you can see somewhat like download icon, which is represent as a arrow sign. That option is archive, so click on it. Once you have clicked on it, go to the archive chat and you can see you are already here in archive chats. So this is how easily you can archive WhatsApp chat.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.